How to fix MARVEL Tōkon Fighting Souls is crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click the game in your library, open up the properties, go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this process is completed, you want to go back to the general tab and add -dx11 to the launch options. Now you can close Steam, and next you'll need to open up a new browser tab and navigate to this link, which is in the description below. Now from here you will need to download and install the 86 and the 64 installer for the redistributables. And once you're done, this will require you to restart your computer. So right after the restart, one thing you'll need to do as well is update your GPU driver. So depending on your GPU, you can download either the NVIDIA app or the AMD software. So I'm going to use the NVIDIA app here because I have the NVIDIA GPU. And from the drivers section, make sure to download and install the latest available driver update. And once you have it already, you can basically start Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your library, and that should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.